Quick Write with Ollie. Let's practice writing the uppercase H. Hi there. Welcome to Quick Write with Ollie. I'm Ollie, and I'll be your writing guide. Today you will need a pencil and lined paper. Let's start by getting our page ready to write. On the left side of your page, make 3 quick write dots. One for the top line, one for the middle line, and one for the bottom line. These dots will help us stay neat and keep our writing the right size. All right, writers, let's jump right in and practice writing the uppercase H. Watch me write the first one. I start at the top line. I go straight down to the bottom line. I lift my pencil and go back to the top line. I go straight down again. I lift my pencil. I go to the middle line. I make a straight line across. That's an uppercase H. Now let's do 5 together. Ready? Right. Start at the top line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Lift your pencil. Go back to the top line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Lift your pencil. Go to the middle line. Make a straight line across. Nice job getting those tall, straight lines. Let's keep going. Ready? Right. Start at the top line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Lift your pencil. Go back to the top line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Lift your pencil. Go to the middle line. Make a straight line across. That one looks even stronger. Time for the next one. Ready? Right. Top line, down. Lift. Top line, down. Lift. Middle line across. Great focus. Your lines are staying nice and tall. We have 2 more. Ready? Right. Down. Down. Across the middle. That was smooth and confident. I like how neat it is. Last one. Make it your very best. Ready? Right. Down. Down. Across the middle. Wow, look at your H's. Which one is your best? Circle the one you're most proud of. Great job today. You did some really careful writing. Remember, you can watch this video as many times as you want to keep getting better. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Hands-On Learning Lab. There, you'll be able to practice writing all your letters and numbers with me. Plus, find lots of other fun interactive videos. See you next time at the Hands-On Learning Lab.